Guerrero, drop, drop, Johnny Guerrero, drop, drop, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10.
Okay. Hi. Mabilis na. Ano na yan? Bye.
Yan po. Ari po yung day 3 natin. At yan po ang birthday ng Lolo Ama. At yan po si Lucas, ang cute. Tapos si Aki nagkikilaro kay Lucas. Yan po ang Lolo Ama, birthday niya ngayon. Thank you po for watching and enjoy watching po.
Ay, Lucas, no! Ano yan? Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Anong ginagawa mo? Ay, ah. Ah. Naku, ano kaya?
At yan po, nakahawak po si aking Jollibee. Tapos yan po, nasilip ko po yung labas. At yan po yung mga building at yung bridge. Nakasakay po kami ng bus. Ayan po, thank you po for watching and enjoy watching po.
It's like a sightseeing tour and shopping tour combines together. We're going to the industry area, so we're going to visit one of the biggest jewelry factories in Hong Kong. Ladies' Paradise, Gentleman's Nightmare. Okay, Hong Kong is one of the biggest exporting city in the world. Just 2 weeks ago, we had one of the biggest jewelry fairs in the world here in Hong Kong. You see how they make it rain, something like that. All right, you see their original design, not the copy from Ong Ping. All right, and then after that, we will also visit the watch become funny shape. Okay. Good quality one, all right, and some Disneyland product, okay, happen, you know, only $99 along with tag, okay, that's in the factory outlet. And then last up, that's why 10% of rich people dominate everything, okay. So this is one of the museums. It's called the 3 world-class museum built between the pandemic. If you're not the you know, the Mickey Mouse fans, okay, you don't come here, okay. So the
Shit no. Yoyo Ama, happy birthday. Anak, huwag na dito na. Dati yung sapatos ni Totoy, tanggal. Natawa sa'yo si Lucas, anak ko. Natawa sa'yo si Lucas. Di Hindi naman siguro malamig yung kay Utoy, no? Kasi may heat tech siya, gusto ko sa si Lucas. Ano? Oo, okay. Dati, hawakan mo na.
there are only 4,000 fishing people. 2,000 right here. 2,000 another side in Aberdeen. You were in Hong Kong before pandemic. Aberdeen. Remember the floating restaurant? Yeah. Okay. That's all. And they did business.
Video lang.
Okay, come on.
Video para kasama ka.
Ay. Hindi. Ay, nakama. Sino kayo? Napatagal lang ito.
Nabidyo mo na yung paligid. Ayan.
Hi, boy. She thought one solo, but you come.
Solo.
Come over a little bit. Yes. Little bit. Yeah. Yes. Very good. Okay, one more. Okay, good. No
Thank
more.
you.
No more. Oh, last one, girl.
You know. Coffee. Coffee tayo. Gusto mo?
Ama, ikaw? Nagkape ka na?
Oh?
Mama, gusto ko pa.
Nandun pa.
Some dynasty. This
At
is all
yan po, nakasakay na po ulit kami ng bus. Ayan po yung building at yan po yung fountain ng water. Ayan po yung Lolo Ama. Yun po yung nakita po yung view. Yan po, mas malaki po yan. Ayan po si Ate Kyla. Yun nandoon, yung nakaway. Yun nagdadance ako ng ganyan. Tapos yung kalaro ko, yun napakita. Yan po, si Lucas. Thank you po for watching and enjoy watching po.
British na. Wow! So madami. Ang bango. Jing 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 jing.
This is the best seller. Fish steam
Ay, daddy, wag na.
and smoky bacon. Spicy. Real seaweed. Try the other. Help yourself out.
Ano ba? Ay, mamalagkit po. Libre, ganun sa jet. Ama, wala ka bang solo? Tara. Hi to the vlog. Hi to the vlog. Hi to the vlog. Nag-i-slide siya, no? Spider-Man. Careful lang!
Guerrero. Drop. Drop. Johnny Guerrero. Drop. Drop. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10.
Okay. Hi. Mabilis na. Ano na yan? Bike. Sino, Aki?
Nandun, mami, sila tita ko.
Sino? Hindi, sabihin mo muna.
Yan po, magraramen po tayo. Magla-lunch po kami. Ayan po sa Hong Kong. Yan po yung paborito ko diyang food. Ayan po si akin nakakarga. Yan po yung daddy. At saka yung mga tao. Ayan po. Thank you for watching. Enjoy watching po.
Ano sila?
Thank you.
Arigato gozaimasu. Kawaii, kawaii, kawaii.
Dapat pumili yung iba doon.
Tawa muna. Tawa muna para sa Rejita. Smile. Daddy, kabigat niya. Kaya po Empake time. Ay, uwi na. No ATM?
Taas.
At yan po, apunta na po kami ng station. At yan po, pauwi na po kami ng hotel. At yung pangalan ng ng hotel namin ay Ganda Hotel. At yan po, si Ate Kayla at Ninong Iset. Yan po, si...
Saan?
Ano to, Iset? May mga gayonan niyan, parang ano? May sushi, Iset, oh. Sushi. Ay, oo nga pala.
Aki.
Gusto ko. Nandun sa kabila, Ayla. Titingin din.
Huwag dyan.
At dito na po nagtatapos ang aming day 3 na vlog. Papanoodin niyo po yung susunod na video natin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!